Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to pin desktop to quick access in Windows 11 File Explorer. Right-click Start button, click Run, type %user profile %. Right-click Desktop, click Show More Options. Click Pin to quick access. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.